Hello students, today we are going to see number system. So first one is natural number. Natural number is also called counting number, and those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which are counting numbers. Second one is whole number. Whole number is 0 and natural number, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are whole number including 0. Third one is integer. Integer means in which there are positive number also, negative number also, and 0, like 0, 1, 2, 3, and dot dot dot, and -1, -2, -3, and dot. Fourth one is even number. Even number means multiple of 2. Multiple of 2 is what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. These all are numbers are called even number. Next one is odd number. Odd number is not multiple of 2. Example 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. are odd number. Next one is prime number. Prime number which are divisible by itself and 1. The number which are divisible by itself and 1 is called prime number. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. These are divisible by itself and 1. Last one is composite number. Composite number is divisible by more than one number. Like 100. 100 can be divided by 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50, 100. These all are what? Composite number. Note, okay, one is neither prime number and nor composite number. Thank you.